Hey guys, and welcome. In this video we will see how we will solve common problem using if condition, okay, using Python language. So let's see our problem. Our problem is we will ask user to enter two numbers, okay. Then if the first number is larger than second number, we will print second number first, then we will print then first number, okay. Else we will show first number first, then second number, okay. So let's solve this problem, okay. We will create a new variable called num1, take input from user using input method, okay. Enter first number, okay. Second one, enter second number, okay. But make sure to cast this input method because it returns string value, so we need the user to return integer value, so we will cast it to integer type, okay. Then we will see our if condition. If first number number 1 greater than number 2 or larger than number 2, we will print second one, then number 2, then number 1, okay. Otherwise, else we will display first number then second number, okay. Okay, let's run and see the result. Okay, the first num say 12, second num will be 44, okay. So first number not larger than second one, so else condition is verified, okay. Let's try another one, 33, and okay, problem because I entered a string, so let's run it again. Third 3 is larger than 12, so 12 will be first and then 33, okay. Okay, let's see another challenge. We will ask the user to enter a number, but the condition here is to be under 20, okay. If he enter number is larger than 20 or equal 20, it will display too high, otherwise will display thank you, okay. You will take number from the user, cast it as always, okay. Enter, enter a value under 20. Okay, we will see our condition here. If num less than 20 or greater than or equal 20, we will display the message too high. Okay, now it's greater than 20. Okay, we'll display too high. Else we will display thank you because you enter the correct value. Okay, okay, let's comment to the first one and then let's try second one. Okay, ask the user to enter the number under 20. Okay, then thank you. If we set 20 or more, we will display too high. Okay, very simple problems, but it will help you to know how if and else work. Okay, so I will see you in the next videos, more challenge. Okay, thank you, see you soon.